Hey lads, so I'm just going to go for 2016 question B-1. So just give you a breakdown of how the marks work for A, B, C and D. So the setup of just drawing what you have there, the elevation of the plan, is 8 marks. Part B, the tetrad angle, is 12 marks. Part C, which is an H view of a plane, is 14 marks, and part D is 11. So they're spread evenly enough really, with more marks for C and B and slightly less for D, and A is the least. But still a lot for doing very little. So I'm just going to walk through the question there now. So I have a bit of it set up already. What I left alone is I've left 1 point alone here. It's down a bit. I haven't done 1 point yet. Point F on it. The reason I've left this out is that if you look on the book, they leave out a measurement here. So if they leave out a measurement, you can't draw it in part A because F doesn't come into either of these. So this is the last part. So don't panic if you can't figure out how to get it in one view. So 230, we can't go up, and we can get it down here. So we can't get it in elevation. So I'm just going to get that. So you draw a line anywhere, as you know. The first measurement is 230 is over. So 230. I'm going to draw a line like this. So the question mark is going up, so we don't know, and coming down is 55. So we have it there, and let's save. So this is something that we haven't done before, and I'll show you in the last video that I'll put up. So the rest of it is hopefully recapping on what we've done before. So the first thing is we've got to get a tetrad angle between ABC and ABD. So let's get a pen like that one. Perfect. So what we need to find is to see if we have the line of intersection, the line which joins the two between this plane and this plane, and we do. So it's here and it's here. So this is your LOY, and it's coming in heavy. So LOY, line of intersection. So to get the tetrad angle, we need to get the true length of the line of intersection. And how do we get a true length of something? We look directly in at it in this direction. So when I'm doing this, I usually do it with my 45 degree set square. What I mean by that is I line this up with my 45 like this, and I'll slide this one first. And the reason why I do is that in a second I can just turn this in this direction, and it gives me 90 degrees to it straight away. So at the moment we will have 4 points up here for the two planes. And there's only one place we can take the heights from, which is the elevation coming up. The quickest way to do this is with a compass. So you have two of them that are the same, but B and C are the same. So I'm going to put them in together. B is up there somewhere, C is up here somewhere. And try and index these as you go, because if you don't, you can make a mistake on it. That's B. D is lower. There. So D is here. And A is the next one up. This is A here. I always just put it lined up at the bottom one, just so I can't go wrong. Yeah, so 4 points here. ABC. ABC. ABC, ADB. And what we have in the middle here is this line is this line. So if that is the line of intersection, this is still the line of intersection. But now it's the true length line of intersection, LY. So we have to look at that as a dot. So to get it as a dot, we go directly on it. So I'll bring these down. Again, I would do this with my 45 for one reason. So I mean, it doesn't matter which one you do it, but just a bit quicker. So bring these down here. Bring 90 degrees. This was your X1, Y1. So this is X2, Y2. Y2. So this is this was an elevation. This is a plan. This is an elevation, and this is a plan. So the measurements must come from the plan. And how you know that that's right is that the line of the section must be point. So the two of these must be the same, and they have to be the same if this is parallel. So put this on the XY line. Get your BC there, I'll get your line of the section. Point C is here. And point D is here. Yeah, so that is your C, AB. AB should be point and D is here. And if you want to, what looks good in this, and I'd often put it in, just takes a second. I did in the last one, so. Yeah, so that's just notifying the examiner what's going on. So at the moment that's 20 marks, 45 in this question done. So I'm just going to stop this and go on to the next one.